Okay, we're on the Pro now. The start-up sequence looks very nice. There we go. Got a few buttons and bits and pieces, and this one we've actually got heated grips, which I'm going to turn off for now.
So we've had a little bit of a swap over here. Oh, this feels a little bit more raw. So I've switched over now to the Rally, the 800 Rally. Definitely feels more raw. You can feel that everything's just a little bit snappier.
Excellent.
Cool, yes, it definitely is snappier. Oh, she's off. Very, very different. Wow. Oh, the grunt is a lot more on this. Moves around a lot more. Totally different ride, which you'd expect.
I think I have a quick shifter.
So this seems to tip in a bit easier and a lot livelier. Wow.
I do have a quick shifter. Okay, that feels nice. Oh, I'm getting told what gear to be in as well.
I'm going to guess Paul will prefer this. And I have to say, initially, I think I prefer the Pro. Probably just because it's a little bit more forgiving for someone that's not ridden these bikes much. But yeah, she's certainly responsive, tips in nice.
So straight away, bit more creature comforts, seem to have a few more controls here. Still got a nice pop of the bang.
Again, the same as the Pro, doesn't matter what gear I'm in here. Look, fourth gear, 30 mile an hour, it picks up. Drop it to third, and the power's there as well. Nice and comfy, good seat position still.
Oh, she still picks up so well. Yeah, I mean this, I think that it's got a steering damper, a few other bits and pieces. Rear foot pegs on this one, and sort of more of a dipped seat rather than the Rally style seat.
Ryder's up in Sittingbourne. Fantastic they've been with us today. Nice family feel to the shop. Just, as I say, couldn't be more helpful. I think the only thing they were a little bit worried about was us taking them off-road, which we'd have loved to have, but obviously we haven't and we won't.
Obviously we're on a slightly more road, Scorpion STR I think this is, so a little bit more road. Here we go, sir. Come on, come on. Yeah, he got there in the end, didn't he? Come on.
Just dropping him behind Paul here. He's found his indicators. This is new.
Oh, it's lovely. Really nice, quick shifter. Again, coming from mine, absolutely no technology on it whatsoever, so this is quite nice to come into something that's got something a bit different.
This has definitely got a little bit more excitement to it.
Nice. Headlight, display, other. Enter. Music, connection, drift, shift prompt. Lovely. Escape.
But this definitely feels snappier. Obviously both 800s. You know, we're feeling Paul there checking I'm alright.
Right, we're just going to try a little bit of dual carriageway. Holds the corner so nicely, look at that.
Just to see how these are like on a dual carriageway.
Oh, instant pickup. Very, very smooth. Very smooth. It does feel very narrow to me. I mean, like I say, I'm quite a big person. But feels nice and light, nice and narrow. Very good brakes.
For those of you that haven't heard of Kove motorcycles, they're a Chinese brand. I would say the only thing that's felt Chinese so far is the tech when trying to connect to the screen.
Let's have the cruise control on. How do we set it? There we go. Press the button. There's a car coming by on the rally. Nice. Yeah, nice cruise control. Didn't really expect that on this bike, got to say, but so far the additional features make that a really, really tempting bike. It's got heaps of power, this thing. This is very nice, isn't it?
Smooth, isn't it?
Quick shifter's lovely.
Which one's your favourite?
If it was just me, just riding around, I'd have that all day.
Listen to the video later.
But I've got to say, if I was going to spend this sort of money, I think I'd probably buy this.
So my big feeling with this is a lot snappier, a lot less forgiving, and gives me back that bit of adrenaline, if you like.
Definitely.
However, I'd pick that.
Hello. Thank you. Oh, tasty.
But I said on the film that you'd pick that because it's a little bit
Naughty.
forgiving and a bit more,
Yeah,
a bit snappier and a little bit more responsive.
all day.
No, we're good. Yeah. Which for me, if I'm going to go this type of bike, I want the smoothness
Yeah,
because I've got the thing that wants to kill me at home.
yeah.
And if I'm coming away from the road bikes that want to kill me,
Well,
it would be the smooth one.
there's a GT version of this.
Is there?
Yeah,
Still an 800?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, key.
Key helps.
Oh,
You're not keyless.
oh, that's a special thing. This feels so narrow. Ridiculous. Crash bars. Oh, you are a beauty.
Keeping an eye on the other cars, making sure no one else is joining them. Taking a look on the outside. Nice Mercedes drive there for us, thank you. And we've got a little Fiesta helping us through as well.
Oh.
And there we go, we caught back up with full. Test the brakes there, what do you like? Of course she stops on and died.
Wow.
I think he's in love with that bike. I think if the missus will allow, young Paul there, he's looking at a new toy.
What a machine!
The question is, does it replace the XT660 he's got or the GS? That's one that only he can answer. I'm sure the noise has definitely got him as well on both of these. Lovely pops and bangs as you're going along. But not too Asbo. At the end of the day, we are a couple of old boys. This really wants to go. This is a little bit naughty, this one. Get in trouble. On the Pro in front of us there.
Oh, she tips them so nicely.
This, you just want to give it beans. You can see here, it does answer what you want it to do. That'd get me in trouble.
That's fucking naughty, that thing.
But it's so smooth that you don't feel like you need to give
Deceptive,
it.
that.
Yeah, but it's so smooth that you're happy to kind of this, because it is a little bit more ferocious. You're kind of like, have it. I love even little details like the size of the stand.
Yeah.
What's the weight difference?
Only a few kilos, I think.
That feels so much easier to manoeuvre.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Just because it's taller, that.
Yeah, that just feels easy to manoeuvre.
This, I feel like you're in it.
Yeah, this you're on it, that you're in it.
Yeah. Thank you, Ryder Motorcycles, and Joe and your team there. Absolutely fantastic.
Way to go. Indicators there would have been lovely, fella. Come off here.
Amazing bit of kit. Compared to the Rally that Karl's now on, this just feels like it's got a bit of refinement, but still that same DNA. It's a little bit naughty, but with the refinement. The quick shifter I found really nice.
Those eagle-eyed of you will see her drop down to first and then back to second. I'm not too used to a bike that tells me what gear I'm in, to be honest with you. Bit of a novelty for me, so I'm just not used to looking at it. So, always been an old habit, drop to first, then count back up.
This genuinely feels like you could ride this 1,000 miles, do yourself a green lane very happily and ride home again. One thing me and Karl both just raised is that they feel very nice. It's a very pretty thing. It's, you know, we both ride older motorcycles that we don't care if we throw them in a hedge, throw them down a hill, and I would probably think a little bit more about what this looks like, how nice the fit and finish is.
I think both of these got aftermarket exhaust on, which obviously helps the sound.
They just feel like nice machines. This feels like the next tier. It's definitely a tier up. There's no doubt about that. Feel very, very well made, I've got to say. I don't think it's a hugely difficult choice to part with 10 grand for one of these. I really don't. I mean, you know, the built-in crash bars are on it. I don't know if they're standard. This one, I think they aftermarket fitted a couple of different mounts for things. Obviously they use these motorcycles as well. They don't just sit in their showroom. Joe and his team actually get out on these things, so you know, that's again a really good testament to these things actually getting used. Karl looks quite home on that. There we go. So yeah, conclusion. Really, really nice bikes. As good as everything I've read so far. See?
I do like the sound of this.
I think this sounds nice.
The child ever leaves when you own motorbikes.
I think we're never going to get away from sounding nice, are we? You're never going to get away from a nice sounding exhaust. It's just
saying, it's the child in you coming out.
Ryder motorcycles in Sittingbourne. Come down and see them. Have a chat to Joe and his team. Get out on one of these. I think you're going to be as impressed as we are. Hard not to be fair. Can't think what else is going to match this. I don't want to give it up. I don't want to give it back.